Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard kachori. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of semolina, and a pinch of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of melted ghee and mix well. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of water to form a firm dough. Knead for 5 to 7 minutes until smooth, then cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. Next, we'll prepare the delicious custard filling. In a saucepan, whisk together 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until it thickens to a creamy consistency. Remove from heat, stir in a few drops of vanilla essence, and allow the custard to cool completely. It should be thick enough to easily scoop. Now it's time to assemble our kakoris. Divide your rested dough into 12 equal portions, rolling each into a small ball. Flatten each ball into a 3-inch disc. Place 1 to 2 teaspoons of the cooled custard filling in the center. Carefully bring the edges of the dough together, sealing the filling completely. Gently flatten the filled ball into a 2-inch disc, ready for frying. Finally, let's fry these delightful treats. Heat oil in a deep pan over medium-low heat. The oil should be warm, not smoking hot, to ensure even cooking. Carefully place a few kakoris into the oil and fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become crispy on both sides. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes per batch. Drain on paper towels and serve warm.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.